You may ask, how can I achieve a different coloured basket waist with the Overflow kit that we've got for our current basket wastes? Because when you buy an Overflow kit from Turner Hastings, the 90B WOF always comes with a chrome top and a chrome ring that goes in the top of the sink where the Overflow's cut in. Well, the simple way to do it is you buy one of those kits, then you also buy a separate, if you're going black, a black Overflow ring, or if you're going white, a white Overflow ring. Then the third item to buy is the Turner Hastings black basket waist or white basket waist, or even a brushed brass, brushed nickel, any colour, gunmetal. And how you do it is you simply get these parts out of the basket waist Overflow kit and take these parts out of the standard basket waist, put this on top there, so this will go through, that does up to your sink. So now you've got a black basket waist on top, and you use the black Overflow ring that ends up there. So then this hose simply connects onto here with the hose going up to your Overflow, and so all you see from the top is your black basket waist with your black Overflow ring.